Hi, good morning. Good morning everyone to all my Facebook friends, Corels. Nandito po ako ngayon sa Beauty Ritual Salon. So, wala pa si Ma'am G, yung friend ko. I'm waiting kasi we have to talk for a while. Kasi pupunta siya ng 10 a.m. Darating na din yun. So, I'll take a short videos for my reels. This is Ritual Beauty Salon, located in nearby Capitol, malapit sa house namin, Kalibo, Aklan. Kung sino gustong magpa-beauty, like nails, sports spa, waxing, and any, maganda po dito. You feel it comfortable and maganda ang lugar dito. So, comfort. O, wala pa pong maraming sorry ah. Wala pa pong maraming customer. It's too early. So, come here at Ritual Salon here in Capitol, Kalibo, Aklan. Wala pa si Ma'am, so I'm waiting for her to come. So tell them and have a good day. Bye everyone.